Okay, so we have 2 3/5 plus 3 11/15. So we have two fractions with unlike denominators. So how am I going to solve this problem? Someone walk me through it. Who is confident enough to walk me through this? Carson.
Okay, so find the common denominator, which that would be 15.
Okay, we're going to find the common denominator first. And you said the common denominator between 5 and 15 is?
3.
Is 15.
Yes.
So how do I make this 5 and 15?
Multiply by 3.
Multiply by 3. What I do to the bottom?
Division.
Beautiful. What's my next step?
Add them so I can find what 3 times 3 is and 5 times.
Okay, so let's rewrite them first. Okay, so my whole number stays the same. Like fraction is the only thing that changes to an equivalent fraction, right? So 3 times 3 is? 5 times 3 is?
15.
And then we didn't have to do anything to this fraction. Leave it alone because it's already in the 15th. All right, Carson, what's my next step?
9 plus 11 is 20.
Okay, so that's my fraction. What do I do to the denominator?
We divide it by. So,
We're adding fractions.
it would be 1 over.
We're writing a fraction, bud. You're getting ahead of me. So 9 plus 11, you said was 20. What's my denominator? Beautiful, 15. And then what do I do with the whole numbers? Add them, which 2 plus 3 is? 5. Okay, now what do I do?
So do you get 20 and 15?
I'm going to divide 20 into 15 because 20 over 15 is a fraction greater than 1. So we're going to turn it into a mixed number, right? So 20 divided by 15.
Is 20 goes in once.
It does. So now we subtract,
You get 5.
equals 5. So what does that 5 represent?
The numerator,
The numerator. What's my denominator?
15.
15, beautiful. It's always the divisor. Okay?
So that would be 6, 5.
Okay, so now I have a whole number up here. This became a mixed number, right? So now I have to add the 5 that we started with to that. So 5 plus 1 is
6.
6, and then my fractional piece is 5/15. Can we leave it like that?
No,
You can
Well, if we're on a test or we have a question that has multiple answers and it says 6 and 5/15, then bubble it in, right? Circle it. That's the one. But what if it's not the one? And could I just automatically assume, oh man, I'm wrong, let's do it all over again? No, let's simplify first, right? Simplify and see if it's there. So how do I simplify this? What number goes into 5 and 15 evenly? Landon? 5, right? 5 goes into 5, 5 also goes into 15. So divide each one of those by 5 and rewrite it. 5 divided by 5 is, everyone. 5 divided by 5 is? 1. Beautiful. 15 divided by 5 is? 3. There's my answer. All right. Let's see how you guys did. Okay, so some of you looked at 5/15, so that's okay.
No,
Oh, you simplified too? Good job.
I didn't.
Good job.
I didn't.
All right, so we're gonna go over one more problem and then see how you guys do.